Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Momomoto, and you can see here today I have this Poco M2 with me. So just I have ordered this particular device in Billions Day sale of Flipkart. So just now follow the unboxing of this particular device. So you can see this is the box of this particular Poco M2, and it is also just highlighting that it is #1 quality brand of India, which is also tagline, or maybe you can see of Realme brand. So this is Poco M2. You can see this is box packaging, and here pricing is mentioned over here. It is 6GB 64GB variant, and the price is mentioned 12,999, and obviously we'll get it at very affordable price tag of 10,499 only. So just you can see some specifications are already given at the back side of this particular box. So it is 6.53 inch full HD display. Along with that, you are getting here Helio G80 processor. It will have 5000 mAh battery and 13 megapixel of primary back camera and 8 megapixel of selfie camera, and along with that 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel 3 more cameras will be there. So just I'm going to unbox this device for you, so you just have a look on this particular unboxing. So you can see I have broken the seal of this particular device. So yes, so first thing what you are getting in this box is a box itself, another box which will have just a documentation. It means this device will not provide you a back case with this particular mobile. And next thing you can see is this Poco M2. I'll give you detail of this particular device later on. Just have a look what else you are getting inside box. So you can see here this is the charger, which is of white color, and this is normal 10-watt charger what you are getting with it. You can just have a look on the rating as well. And next thing is a cable, and it seems to be a Type-C. Obviously nowadays you are getting Type-C cable only in the devices. So yeah, you can see here this is Type-C cable. So these are the box content what you are getting with this M2. Now just focus on the device itself, and I have ordered it in a red color variant, which I liked very much, especially on the website. And obviously if you'll see the picture on the Flipkart, the actual device is totally different when you will receive at your home. So you can see at the bottom some textured picture are there, and at the top it is just plain. Here you can see this is 13 megapixel main camera, along with that 8 megapixel wide angle, 5 megapixel macro, along with that 2 megapixel which is for depth sensor. And this is here you can see this is LED flash. At the bottom Poco is mentioned over here. At the chin you can see here this is speaker grill, along with this charging jack. There are 2 mic which will definitely have noise cancellation as well, and this is 3.5mm jack. At this right side you can see this is volume rocker and power button. At the very top, nice to see, it also has an IR blaster, so you can just control your remote devices with this particular phone. And you can see this is secondary mic for noise cancellation. At left side you can see only just SIM tray is there. So just now I'm going to boot it up. At the top you can see this is Poco's 6.53-inch full HD display, and at this particular notch you can see this is 8 megapixel selfie camera. I don't think that will be visible, but here it also has that LED notification. So nice to see that it also gives you a notification as well. Nowadays it is missing in most of the devices. So I'm going to set it up. So meanwhile, just I will like to give you specification and detail of this particular device. So at the price point of 10,499, you are getting a very decent feature in this particular device. It is powered by Helio G80, which processor is will give you a very good performance. I will say in this particular price range you will not get this kind of feature with any other devices. So overall, in first impression, device seems to be very promising and very interesting. So you can see a display quality. You can just have a closer look on the display as well. Quality seems to be very nice, just because it is full HD. And overall you can just see here. Now I'm going to set it fingerprint as well, so that I can just provide you an overview of this particular fingerprint sensor as well. So obviously overall I'll say at this particular price point of 10,999 you are getting very good device. So I'm just going to set it up to give you an overview of this particular device. So let's follow some steps over there. You'll have to enter all the details. Now you will have to press this fingerprint. It is fast, it seems to be very fast. Now I have almost done with it, and I'm going to just enter on the main screen of this particular device. Software will be here. You will get Android 10 support with this device, which is latest Android version nowadays. And along with that, and on the top of that particular Android support, you will get here Poco launcher along with MIUI 11. So overall in software, I'll say it is also giving you all the latest software. Just I'll check what kind of security patch you are getting with this particular device. I'll show you in the settings, and just I'll shot some sample shot as well to give you an overview of the cameras as well. So it's taking too much of time, but meanwhile you can again have a closer shot of this particular device. So especially this red color seems to be very nice, and you can see overall thickness, it is just around 9 mm thick, which is also a very good thing, just because it has 5000 mAh battery. So now you can see the first impression of this particular device. Display seems to be very nice. First of all, I like to change some wallpaper to see you exactly what kind of display you're getting here. So I have just changed this particular wallpaper. Now we have a fair idea about this particular display, because it's all colored on this particular display. So overall I'll say display seems to be very nice. And now I'm just going to enter into the setting of this particular device to show you what kind of software you are getting here with this particular device. So overall I'll say you can see it is 64 GB internal storage what you're getting with it. Poco M2 device name is here. MIUI Global 11 0.0.4 version you are getting, and obviously Android version is at 10. You can see here this is running on Android 10. So overall in this particular time, when its price has been reduced by 1100, around 11 to 1500, and if you are using any card like SBI or Kotak Mahindra, you can also avail a decent offer on Flipkart. I'm just going to shot a picture to show you the camera quality of this particular device, to just give you an idea. So you can see how clear images are coming to be in this device. So overall in first impression, I'll say the camera quality is very nice. You can see it is able to capture decent detail on this. You can see every letters are quite visible in this particular image. And another next sample you can see of this particular laptop's body. So edges are visible clearly. I like to show you some sample sort of front cameras as well. So yes, I have already clicked my selfie. So you can see this front camera is performing very well. I'll say this 8 megapixel camera is quite updated. It is giving you very good picture from front camera as well. So this was all about this Poco M2. I hope you like this video, and guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like button. Please and please subscribe this Movo Moto channel for more such videos. Arvinesh Oja signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.